For number 11, it's asking me to find the measure of each angle. So my first step here is going to be to solve for x. It's going to be my first step in most of these problems. I know that QRS is just a straight line, so it's 180 degrees. So angle QRT and then angle TRS, those are supplementary angles because when added together they form a straight line. They form 180 degrees. So I can basically say this plus this is going to give me 180 degrees. That's what I'm going to use to solve for x first. So I can say that 3x plus 5 plus 10x minus 7 is going to give me 180. So basically I'm combining. I get 13x minus 2 equals 180. When I add 2 to both sides, I get 13x equals 182. And then I can do both sides divided by 13 to get x by itself. So I get that x is equal to 14 here. But I'm not actually done. What I want to do from here is plug this back in for my x. I'm going to start with the left one. So, starting with the left, angle QRT is 3x plus 5. But I know that x is 14, so I can go ahead and plug it in right away. 3 times 14 plus 5. And 3 times 14 gives me 42. So 42 plus 5 gives me 47 degrees. Is the measure of angle QRT. So here's one of my answers. Now, instead of doing all the math over again and plugging it in for this equation now, if I know that those two angles are actually supplementary and they add up to be 180, I can say, well, angle QRT plus angle TRS has to be 180 degrees when I add those together. Well, I actually know what angle QRT is. It's 47. I don't know what TRS is. I could have used all my math and plugged x back in again. But what I can do actually is just subtract 47. Let's see what that other missing part is. So angle TRS is actually just 133. And that's my answer for my second one. 133 degrees.